Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So we're going to be doing a really quick, easy, salon viable, beginner friendly design today. We're going to be using these two Varnail gel polishes, Sunny Afternoon, this gorgeous shimmery lilac, one of my favourite gel polishes, and we're going to be using this cat eye gel polish as well. So we're going to start off by using Sunny Afternoon first. We're going to give the thumbnail, the pointer fingernail and the pinky nail a full coat of this. So while I'm doing that, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about this design. So I haven't done a cherry blossom set ever, and I really like them. I'm not a massive fan of flowers or floral nails at all, but I do like cherry blossoms. So I thought this is the perfect opportunity to do a cherry blossom set. Also, I want to be using a few things out of the March Varnail mystery box, anniversary box as well. So I'm going to cure them for 30 seconds. Now we're going in with this light grape cat eye from Varnail. And I'm going to give the middle finger and the ring finger a full coat of this. So once I've painted the whole of the tip, I'm then going to go in with my magnet. And we're just going to bring that cat eye effect out. Just like that. Once I'm happy with the cat eye, then I'm going to pop it straight in the lamp for 30 seconds and that will freeze that exactly how I want it. So I'm going to do the exact same on this ring fingernail as well.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we.
So they're all fully cured. So now I've pulled out these cherry blossom stickers. How cute are these? I love them. They're like a lilac-y, pinky, peachy sort of colour, but they've got a really gorgeous pearlescent finish on them, just like this gel polish. So I thought they matched perfect. And I'm going to stick them on the two cat eye nails. So before I stick the stickers down, I just want to wipe away that gel polish tacky layer with some isopropyl alcohol. And we're going to stick these stickers down now. So nowhere in particular I want to stick these. Just dot them about here, there and everywhere. Not too many, probably just 4 or 5. Just like that. So I'm going to do the exact same on the ring fingernail.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
So that's where we've got to so far, guys. We're now going to do the branches. So I've pulled out this brown gel polish from Varnail called Stay Calm. And I'm using a striping brush to do this bit, and I'm just going to paint the branches. Now, to paint the branches, it's just squiggly lines, really. There's no right or wrong way to do these branches. So just do squiggly lines. I didn't like that one there, so I'm just going to wipe that one off quickly. Extend that one a little bit. And yeah, just do the branches so they're coming up to all the different cherry blossoms and coming off the side of the nail, just like that. That's that one done. So I'm just going to do the exact same on the ring fingernail and then give them a cure for 60 seconds and they'll be ready for some top coat. Actually, before we top coat these, I did just want to give them a couple of individual cherry blossom pods, I think they're probably called, I don't know. The ones that haven't quite flowered yet, just like that. Just a couple of these are dotted about. This one here's got about 3 on. And then another one there. Now I'm happy. I just wanted to fill in a couple of the gaps, that was all. So now they're all ready for some top coat. Look at those. They look so cute and so easy to do, guys. So I'm using this No Wipe Glossy Top Coat from Varnail. Give the thumb... Oh, and I forgot I'd pulled out these as well. So these are little 3D flowers. This one is like an iridescent-y sort of one. Give that a cure. I am just curing these into the top coat because I'm not going to be wearing these. They're just on tips. If I was wearing these on my nails, then I would use gem glue to apply these just so they stick a little bit stronger. But yeah, because I've done this design on tips, I'm just going to stick them into the top coat. I'm just going to add one of these pink little 3D flowers into the corner of this nail and another one into the corner of this pinky nail. Give them a cure for 30 seconds. Now on this middle nail, I shouldn't have gone straight in with the top coat, so ignore me doing this. What I should do is, I'm just going to pop that one in the lamp for 30 seconds. I should have gone in with a base coat first. You know, because it's a little bit lumpy bumpy from the stickers. I should go in with a base coat first, give that a cure, and then go over that base coat with the glossy top coat, and that'll just smooth the nail out and make it nice and smooth. So what I'll do with that other nail is, once the top coat's cured, I'll then buff over it and then go in with another coat of top coat. Now I'm using this Varnail gem glue, which cures with that a tacky layer. Add a little bit of that to the middle of each flower, and I'm going to add some teeny tiny pearls. Give them a cure for 60 seconds, and then that'll be them all finished. And then that is them all finished, guys. What do you think? I actually really like these. Considering I'm not into flowers or anything, I do really like them. I like the design, I like the colours, I like the simplicity of them. Yeah, I like them. I love that sunny afternoon. Beautiful colour that is. In fact, I would probably say that is one of my favourite colour gel polishes that I own. It's so pretty, isn't it? And such a really easy design to do, guys. Anyone can do this kind of design. It's a nice, quick, easy design for salons. It's great if you're in a rush, if you're going somewhere. And it's great for beginners as well. So yeah, that's them, guys. Everything that I used today has been from Varnail. Any links that I find to the items that I've used today, I'll make sure that I list them in my description box below. If you do decide to place an order, guys, don't forget I have got a massive 25% off discount code for the Varnail website. So make sure you pop GG30 in at checkout, and that will take 25% off your whole order. Also, Varnail has now brought their April mystery box out as well. So go over and have a little look at that. It looks like a really cool box. And that is everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.